big update for the car. I haven't posted a long time because I've been working and a lot of hours, a lot of stuff. Update, I did the B14 seat belts in it, and I just put the Nissan emblem back in the rear. That's it. Pretty much I've been just working. Now I'm trying to see if I get the turbo stuff soon. I do have everything, pretty much almost everything, but I really want to get more other stuff. And back here, you can see this. This is my dad's car, another 93 Nissan Sentra. Bone stock, rebuilt the whole engine, 1.6 liter, special edition one. As you can see, it's painting it slowly but surely. And it's actually pretty good paint, man. I mean, it's painted the Rust-Oleum. So yeah, that's it for that. I'll show you guys more stuff, and I'm gonna wash the car too. So it's very dirty in the inside. I saw the video I posted, and that thing is dirty, mean dirty. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Show you guys the stuff that I have for besides the turbo and the manifold and the intercooler. I got the intercooler piping as well. I got some new VVLs injectors, but I don't know. I might buy other things, other injectors or something. I got a few more parts for spare, like that. Bunch of stuff here, and the seat rest. I can sell them too if you guys want some. I got a P11 disc conversion in the back. Not putting it. The reason why? Don't fit. You gotta make them shorter because the stud is actually longer, and when you put them, the control arms, they separate, and that's a no-no. Here's a few parts that I have. They're for the interior, and you can see the piping in the back there. And then here's some more parts. Oh, I got the AC lines as well. I will be taking the AC out. The compressor still works, supposedly. I have another one here just in case. And I do have the AC lines. I might sell it if you guys want it. Depends. Maybe give away. I don't know. We'll see what happens. And then a few more parts. We'll see. Keep you guys posted on that. My dad is painting this on spray can, Rust-Oleum. He doesn't have a time limit to finish his car, so he's doing it slowly with patience. Man, that thing is coming out sweet. There's the door. I take care of a few spots, I guess. Small bundle right there in the corner. I guess he painted it once and took it off, or gave it a small buff with the 600 in water. So yeah, and he did the door. That's for sure. He's got to get a few things, dings and stuff. He marked them down with the door. The door is fresh. Like you can touch it, or why not has full paint, but of the other spots. Well, besides that, it's coming along very fine. It's coming very sweet. The interior is mint. He got the door panels just in case. He has them back there. And yeah, man, it's very nice. Corner lights, we actually tinted them with a yellow one. They're different as mine. Mine came in like a orangey color. I mean, I don't mind it, but oh well. I like these better. I like these are nicer. But yeah, man, I mean, build's coming along very nicely. I don't know if you can see anything back there. Nope. Okay, cool. And yeah, the only thing that we're taking off of this car that we really don't like, and I say we because we both agreed on, It is this headliner. It's like a, the vinyl is like a sort of carbon fiber look. And that's a no-no. We don't like that. We just take it off. And if you guys like it, hey, we'll give it to you. No problem, man. Just ask. We'll give it to you. And yeah, so this is the small project. And then look at this. Look at this door hard closed. Oh, and close right. Bam. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I got these on a deal. I gave it to him. He liked them, so why not? In the future, probably here in a few months, I'm gonna get different wheels for my car. I like my SCR wheels. Like, I love them. But I love Roto Grid 5s too, so I have a small passion and love for them. Oh, we got new carpet while installing in there. Besides all that, the car's really in great shape. Like, he's doing it like slowly. He has no issues on doing it, you know, nice. So he's actually taking his time, and I admire that from him. He's always been like that. So one day, whenever he's here at the house, I'll just I'll put him on video and I'll ask him questions. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments on the bottom. Then I will ask him so you guys can know. I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, but it's a start. So I'm talking too much and blah 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 blah. All right, so it's done. Well, the outside is. Yeah, let me get out the sun here. Those tires look good. Not tires, the wheels. These wheels, I repainted them. They were in a bad shape, so I went and repainted them. I'll show you guys here in a minute. So yeah, I know you like that sound effect too. So here it goes. That's how they look right now. Well, they're wet, obviously. Yeah. But they really came out fresh. Very nice. And I did it on a 46-degree weather. So I was with the blower, pretty much. Yeah. Blower and the spray paint, all the way. And I know I need a haircut. Look at this. And it's going to YouTube. I don't care. Why? Because I don't give a shit. Here's the finished product. I didn't do much really. I just did a small detail on it. The sun's hitting it, so it'll look better. Alrighty. Interior. I got blue carpets. I didn't know that. There you go. Yeah, my dash is cracked, so that's covering it. And in the back, car is all still fresh. Car is pretty good. I'm insane. yeah, so finished. Not bad for 45 minutes, I think, something like that. For you, probably a second, but 45 minutes, and not bad. It's looking pretty good for my taste. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a second. Alright guys, that's all I got for you guys today. Really didn't do much, just washed it inside. That I only did it twice since I bought the car, and I'm in the car already almost a year, so that says a lot. It's a lot of work. I've been working a lot, and next video, hopefully tomorrow, it's gonna be about the seat belts. Take the panels off and everything, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. And there's different methods how to do it, but this is the way I did it because I wanted to, and it was faster and convenient for me. Still safe, but yeah. And hopefully I got a new or a different thing to vlog about. Probably my dad's gonna be here tomorrow, so I'll just probably do some other things on the red one right here, and we'll see. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and it's gonna help me a lot. And if you guys want to see more about the soon what's coming out for this car, that is coming. Turbo is coming. Well, it's a whole list that I have that's coming down for it. It's gonna be buying a turbo manifold, turbo, wastegate. Blah blah will probably keep the same. Intercooler probably keep the same. And getting computer, exhaust to the side. I'm getting clutch. I gotta fix my transmission. I still got the same problem, but actually right now it's working properly. I figured out that for some reason this like takes out the gear for itself, so I still got to take it out. So I'll take it out and I'll work on it whenever I take the transmission out, and it's not gonna be a big deal. But yeah, stay tuned. It's coming in soon, and please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comments for anything you guys think that you guys have any questions about, or concerns, or questions, or whatever it is, just go ahead, put it on the bottom. And like I said, if you guys want me to show videos of your car racing, I don't care if it's a Honda, I don't care if it's a Toyota Echo, Prius, Lancer, whatever you guys want to be shown on here on the video, I'll post it up for you. Just I'll keep my email on the bottom, and send it to there with your information, what you got. I'll post it if you want to, or in the rival as well, and I'll post it up for you guys. Why not? I'll show you your cars. I don't mind. And believe me, this vlog is not only going to be about my Sentra, it's going to be about other people's cars as well. And I don't discriminate people's rides. Everybody has their own way how to hook up cars. So everybody, as long as you're an enthusiast, it's a thumbs up for me. Yeah, that's all I got. So I'll see you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.